Hey, I'm ALBO. I came to Japan as an English teacher, then moved near Tokyo to pursue my passions. I became a filmmaker because I love cars, Japanese culture, and a good story. I'm lucky enough to live the JDM dream, and so my videos are about my car life in Japan, where I go to car meets and visit shops, do track days and toge runs, build and review cars, and shoot vlogs, short films, and documentaries about Japan's car culture and history. Join me and my friends on our adventures and find out what it's really like in the land of the rising sun. So hop in, fasten your seatbelts, and enjoy the ride.
This この番組はご覧のスポンサーの提供でお送りしました。
Hey guys, so I'm here with Indra and we are once again here at Daikoku Futo. I'm gonna try to do a whole bunch more of these, just kind of showing you guys what the scene is like. It's a night here at Daikoku. It's pretty much popping pretty much every night, right?
Yeah.
It's like a Wednesday evening.
Tuesday evening.
Oh shoot, you're
Today's
right.
Tuesday.
Today's Tuesday. Today's Tuesday. What's the actual date?
Second, if I'm not wrong. Yeah,
Yes.
second. Yeah.
November 2nd. So we're just gonna give you a quick, look around Daikoku. Maybe like 15-20 minutes. I'll just try to do this pretty regularly because that's pretty much like
What it is now.
what it is now, right? Yeah. And in this episode, Indra is gonna be my co-host. What's new with you, man?
So far, nothing much. The car has been pretty much the same. Maintenance, probably a transmission upgrade, all that stuff, and just busy with the new job. Pretty much it.
Nice. This
Yeah.
guy's living it up in Tokyo. Living the dream. Living the dream.
Paying that rent.
Yep. The expensive ass rent.
Oh,
Dude, check it out. Actually, I have an update. So I got the Forcer back, as you can see. Yes. And I got a brand new bumper.
but it looks good, man. It looks clean.
It's too clean. It's too clean.
Does this sticker come with a bumper?
No, they had to place a new one. So I got a US sticker. I'm pretty satisfied. It would have been nice if they replaced. I tried to get them to replace both front fenders,
Yeah.
and the hood and headlights, and they're like, yeah, nah. I think at the beginning actually they just wanted to repair it. I was like, bruh, come
Yeah,
on,
yeah,
like at least replace the bumper.
You gotta change it. Once something cracks on that, you gotta change it.
Yeah, and actually just to replace the front bumper, that was like the final quote was like $2,000.
Really?
So it's pretty pricey.
Yeah.
But
Just for the bumper.
just for the front bumper and getting it painted and everything.
I'll get that explained.
But all done, $2,000. It looks pretty good, so I'm pretty
Yeah, it looks
satisfied.
great, man.
Now time to go on some adventures around Japan, maybe a road trip.
Make it dirty again.
We should go camping soon.
Yes.
All right, tell me what's new with your car. Anything new?
Nothing much with my car. Just like I said, maintenance. Bumpers the same. Canards. It got a little bit more messed up because I went, driving around and stuff.
Oh,
My
show me the
steering
wheel.
Yeah.
This is the steering wheel.
This is what I spent $3,000 on. Check it, folks.
Yeah, dude, it's badass.
Badass,
It's definitely
right?
badass.
It's like GT3 style.
Yeah.
But it fits everything. Like you got the radio volume, you got the phone button, the talk, the on and off for your driving control switches. This is a special button for me.
Yep.
For the track, it unlocks a special boost system.
Oh, no way.
Yeah. So secret stuff.
Oh, this is badass.
Yeah. Set.
Man, $3,000 for a wheel. That's like a set of wheels.
That's what I'm thinking.
Oh well, it's worth it. I think it's pretty dope.
Yeah, because you see it every day, right?
Yeah,
I mean, if you
yeah,
drive
yeah,
a lot,
yeah.
you see it every day.
Right.
So it's worth it.
I spent a lot of money on my steering wheel too. Let's take a look. I upgraded my steering wheel for this carbon fiber one from Damned. So this one's been on there for a while. I quite like it though. Want to take a walk around?
Let's go, man.
All right, we're gonna take a walk around. A bunch of guys have been telling me forever to get a gimbal, and now this is actually on a heavy ass, brand new gimbal,
So I'm surprised you're
DJI
holding it in one
RS2.
hand.
Yeah, this is pretty. It's pretty intense.
Yeah.
But let's see what kind of cool cars we have over here.
I don't like them having this really big space in there. It doesn't feel right to me. You know what I mean?
Oh, where? Oh, over there, right? Yeah, I think they're gonna do like a Murio Shaken or like a
free
inspection over there.
Yeah.
It's interesting to see a very stock looking EK? No?
I'm not sure what that is.
Yeah, I'm not sure what exact model that is. And also a Charger. Wait, Charger? Challenger?
That's a Challenger, bro.
Right, people are gonna roast me in the comments. Like, are you kidding me? You don't even know what a Challenger and a Charger is?
Follow the Indra channel.
Alright,
Follow
picture
the
channel.
Indra
What's it about?
Well, my channel?
Yeah.
Oh, you know, car stuff, camping, lifestyle.
Life as a Malaysian,
Life as a Malaysian
in Japan.
Yeah.
Alright, what else we got over here? Evo. Got a couple chasers. And they're always in like such good condition here. I mean,
That
like,
means
this
they
is
don't
pretty.
drift.
Ah, I see. Ooh, this Integra is quite nice over here.
We used to be really close neighbors.
Oh really? Back in
Odawara.
Odawara days?
Yeah, we would see each other in Hakone. We don't talk to each other.
Yep.
I don't know why people find me to be very scary, I heard. I'm a nice guy. Yeah, but he's always in my ear.
It's quite nice. Kind of got a USDM vibe to it, you know? You know what I'm really excited about over here?
What?
Is this Jetstream NA. Dude, this is sick. This is totally what I would do if I had another NA.
You have a Roadster.
I do, but it's still
What's
not.
been happening to your Roadster?
We'll talk about it off camera. This Jetstream Roadster is sick. Super
Fenders
wide
are
fenders. Yeah, and T37Vs. It's got a hard top and a big ass wing. That's a hard top. That's a hard top.
It's a hard top.
Oh.
Very nice.
I like his little mini Itasha wing over here. That's pretty cool. Oh, it's Mad Dog. Hey, Mad Dog. Sick. Every time I see this guy, I don't have my proper camera on me, but this time. Oh, perfect. Yeah, we'll get a whole video of this. Or a whole clip. That's pretty sick. I mean, it's really interesting how the Fast and Furious spirit is kept alive here in Japan. That ricer vibe. Would you call this ricer?
Sorry?
Would you call this ricer?
I don't know, man.
I don't even know what I would call this.
I mean, if you pull it right, it's fine, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't.
Even the wing is like clear coated and or not clear coated, it's like painted with sparkly
This
paint.
air suspension, man. That's like 10 grand. Look at that.
That's pretty wild. Konbanwa. もう出来上がったんですか? Full custom. Look at that. Wow. So you might have seen the owner of this car in one of my previous videos. This is the East meets West video where we covered this reverse GDM scene. There's a few guys. It's not. I wouldn't say it's a really huge scene, but it's like a small community of enthusiasts who love the style. I guess you could say the style popularized by the Fast and Furious, Tokyo Drift or Too Fast Too Furious. Man, this is really cool.
Yeah, man.
It looks good.
Yeah. It looks clean.
It's so interesting. It's like it's the cleanest rice ever.
I mean, good rice is good rice, right?
Right.
Rice is. I'm not gonna say the word anymore.
These wheels. Look at the fender. That's so cool. Man, the air suspension over there is super crazy.
It's your best friend, man. Underglow.
Oh yeah. He's rocking the underglow too. Rocking it hard. Up? あ、ここですか?
これを上げてみて。
はい。No way! This is crazy!
I want that on my car.
Look at that! It's on hydraulics! Whoa, this is pretty nuts.
I want that on my car. Will it fit a GTR?
That's cool, that's cool. あ、いいですか?
あ、いいですよ。やっちゃって。
Man, he's so nice.
Oh, it's so low!
How does it feel, man?
Feels like I'm back in LA in 2001.
Fast and Furious vibes, man. Dude, you know what caught my attention?
What's up?
Those dice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's so American, right?
Yeah.
It's interesting because Japanese people love all aspects of American culture, like different facets of it. They take it to Japan and they infuse it with their own twist. And a lot of the time, they make it like.
That's not the kiss, it's just the homies wanna feel around. Still I always smile, cause I know she'll be right back.
Damn. I wonder what happens if you press these. I think it's probably just the NOS. Oh, yeah, NOS. It's pretty dope. Pretty dope. Pretty dope. What a shot. Arigatou gozaimasu. かっこいい。This is super cool.
いつも Twitter で見てる。
こういう系の車、日本でなんていうの、アメリカバージョンの
アメリカだと、
はい
ライスレーサーとか、
はいはいはいはいはい。
JDM っていうよりかはどっちかっていうとこうライスロケットとか。
そうですね。
けど日本だと走り屋とか。
多分昔ライスターというライスター。
ライスター。
はい。もうこんなになんか綺麗に出来上がったのはなかなかないですね。
そうですね。
アメリカでもイギリスでも。
いいライスね。
そう。美味しいご飯。
美味しいご飯。
There's a really nice blue Sylvia over here. I wonder if it's her car.
Nah, I doubt it.
No?
I doubt it.
Their GTR.
We've had our fair share of racer girls, man.
Yeah.
We know how they're like. That's not her car. Yeah, we talked to you like 2 months ago.
Really?
Yeah. Remember he was showing us the video of him drifting?
Yeah, that was a while back. Oh, this is pretty badass. There's like this whole scene over here. Corner is like the wild speed corner. Fast and Furious corner over here. It's so colorful here.
You see a Sylvia spinning and crashing to everyone, right?
Outside over there, just on the other side of Daikoku. Man, it's pretty busy today.
Yeah.
Although I don't see a lot more cars I'm interested in, but let's keep walking down here. Let's see if we find anything.
I like the wing. It's very gentle.
It's super packed today, actually.
Now tomorrow's a holiday.
Yeah, that's why. This is the Pantera. This is the legendary.
What's a Pantera?
This one right here. This brown Pantera.
Is that a Lambo?
No, it's not a Lambo. It's an American muscle car. It's an American exotic. That's wild. That's like the coolest car here. For sure. For sure. No, not yours. Check this out. Huge ass truck. I really like these FJ Cruisers a lot. Those are really cool. Oh, Corvette. Alright, what else we got? Oh, GTR.
That's midnight. Purple.
No, it's not. Anyway, this is a GTT.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can tell because
Sure?
of the fenders, the rear fenders.
Japan is gonna give you shit on YouTube like he gave me shit on YouTube.
No, it's not a GTR. That's Let's check out this row over here. We have a Temple Racing style, Kanjuzoku style EK9 over here. That's pretty badass.
Oh, that's McLaren.
Man, what's with you and McLarens?
It's calling my name, man.
Yeah?
I'm gonna watch back in your videos
And you're gonna
6 years from now.
6 years? That's way too long.
10 years.
Come on, 3 years, 2 years. Yet. This guy in his Martini Porsche is always everywhere. He's like super fast on the loop. It's pretty crazy.
On the loop.
On the loop, man. This guy is like every night, you know? Ooh! That was nice. Look at that.
I don't get the
But you can see over there, the police have definitely started to come out. Oh, hang on.
Oh shit. Oh Oh shit, we gotta go.
Everyone's leaving right now. Yeah, everyone's starting to leave because very soon. Should we go somewhere else?
Yeah, sure. Where wanna go?
Dude, I'm free all night. Alright, so we are now here in Tokyo. Let's get some tacos, some burritos.
Hello.
What's up, La?
Just gonna say hi to my friend. It's his bar.
This is my new.
Oh,
I don't
alright.
drink, but this is my new.
New spot.
My new.
So smooth. Look at the quality of this. It's night, but this shot is so sharp. This is great. I should do this more.
There's a lot of people in here.
Alright. So you can see this is. There's a camera. There's a big camera. Not much. Hi. Hi there. Oh, I do YouTube, so I'm filming today.
What kind of YouTube do you do?
Videos. Alright.
Let us interview you.
Okay.
So quite a lot he does YouTube. So what kind of
I
YouTube
YouTube.
do you do?
My life in Japan with cars.
With cars? Like cars?
Yeah. This Playboy Indra. Okay. All the ladies. What do you think of this behavior, Michael? Oh wait, you're not Michael. I'm sorry, I don't know you.
I didn't get an invite. They came to say hello, and here we are.
And Sean's waiting with the tacos. He already ordered a taco.
Oh fuck him!
Alright, so here's the situation. Basically, I thought we were just coming at a park, but now we are in this party. Yeah. Tokyo is in the middle of the most epic disappearance of COVID ever. There's like no people here. But I'm gonna stand outside. I'm gonna chill outside. Okay. Alright, here we go. Alright. Should be good. Okay, so we finally escaped that party. It's been like an hour. Ugh. Parties in Tokyo are still going on. Actually, COVID numbers are super low now, but we're gonna get some burritos once we can find a burrito place.
I saw that. I post the views all day.
So this sushi place is open. They just have like 1 a.m. sushi. Bunch of fish over here. Sushi?
Sushi? It's
No?
1:20 a.m. man.
I know. I don't think it's not a great idea. Alright guys, so we're gonna end the video here actually. So there's no more burritos. We're all sold out, so we're just gonna head back home. But yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.